Today I'm going to guide you through a practical WordPress skill that's essential for every site owner: how to link your pages to your navigation menu. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to ensure visitors can easily find all the important sections of your website, giving your site a polished, user-friendly feel. So let's not waste any time and jump right in. First, let's log into your WordPress account. Now, this might sound obvious, but remember, having access to your account is the very first step to making any changes to your site. If you have multiple sites, make sure you're logging into the correct one. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. That's the central hub where all the magic happens. Now, once you're on your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and find where it says Posts. Click on it. Even though we're focusing on navigation menus, the Posts section is where a lot of people typically start, especially if your theme organizes pages and posts closely together. The key here is you want to select your website, especially handy if you're managing more than one site under the same account. Just double-check that you've selected the site you want to update so you don't accidentally change the wrong menu. With your site selected, click on Edit. This takes you into the customization mode where you get to tweak the structure and appearance of your website. Take your time here if your WordPress loads a little slowly. Sometimes these dashboards can take a few moments to get ready. Next, click right on the header area, the section at the top of your website that usually holds your logo and navigation menu. Once you click the header, you'll see an Edit option pop up. Go ahead and click that again. This ensures that you're working on the part of your site where your menus live. Think of the header as the signpost for your entire website. It helps visitors find their way around quickly. Now comes the fun part. Look for the Add Block button or a plus sign, usually near your menu or navigation items. Clicking this is a bit like telling WordPress, "I want something new here." When you do, you'll see a list appear. These are the pages you've already created on your site. If you don't see the page you want, you might need to backtrack and make sure the page exists. But for most people, your About, Contact, Services, or blog pages should all show up in this list. Choose the page you'd like to feature in your navigation menu by clicking it. This step is crucial because linking your pages here means visitors will be able to access them instantly, no matter where they are on your site. Imagine visiting a restaurant and looking for the menu. It's the same for your website's visitors. They appreciate clear, accessible navigation. Once you've added all the pages you want, the final step is to hit Save. This confirms all your changes and makes them live for your visitors. Don't worry if it takes a second. Sometimes WordPress needs a little moment to process everything, and that's it. You've just connected your pages to your navigation menu on WordPress. It's a small change with a big impact, making your site more professional and easier to use. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to leave any questions you have in the comments. I'm always happy to help. And of course, subscribe for more practical WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.